Good morning, my dear students. In this particular video presentation, we'll discuss some more problems meant for class 12 of CBSE. Let me move on to the problem directly without wasting our time. A man of height 1.6 meters is moving away from a lamp post of height 20 meters at the rate of 2 centimeters per second. Find the rate at which his shadow is increasing when the man is at a distance of 4 meters from the lamp post. Just read the question. I'm showing it closer to you. I'm not going to write the question on the board. Read the question. Okay, just let me draw the diagram meant for that. This is the diagram anyway. AB is the lamp post. Now AB is equal to 20 meters, that is given. This height is 20 meters. CD is the position of man. Now CD is equal to 1.6 meters, that is given. This is also given. Just listen carefully. Now B is the position of the lamp. Position of the lamp. Let AC is equal to x meters, comma CE is equal to shadow of the man, which is equal to I meters at time t in seconds. This much I'll assume. These are the things. This I assume this to be x. I assume this to be y. Now triangle ABE similar to triangle CDE by AAA similarity. I am not going to give much importance to these things. 90, 90, this is the corresponding angle, is the common angle. E is the common angle. For those two are similar, I am going to use anyway. Now, which will automatically imply you AB by CD. I am not going to use the hypotenuse. I don't know the values of hypotenuses. Therefore, I will just use AE by CE, which will imply you this length is anyway 1.6 meters given. 20 by 1.6 is equal to, which is here of course x plus y divided by CE is nothing but y, which implies 20y is equal to 1.6x plus 1.6y, which implies 20 minus 1.6 is nothing but 18.4y is equal to 1.66. Am I right? Actually, what am I supposed to find out? I am supposed to find dy by dt when dx by dt is given to you. Anyway, let it be. Now, I mean to say y is equal to 16 by 184x, which implies y is equal to 4 divided by, I can divide by 4. 4 4s are 16. Here I mean to say 46 again. Again I will divide by 2 by 23x, which will imply you dy by dt is equal to 2 by 23 dx by dt. But your dx by dt is given to be man is moving away from the lamp post at 2 centimeters per second. Therefore, I can even write it as 2 by 23 into 0.02 meter per second. I can very well write, which is 0.04 by 23 meter per second. 2 centimeters nothing but 0.02 meters. 0.02 meters. Therefore, shadow of the man is increasing at the rate of 0.04 by 23 meter per second. Or you can even leave it as it is in terms of 2 centimeters, therefore 4 by 23 centimeter per second. Either way you can write. Let me just explain the whole lot. AB is the lamp post. AB is of length 20 meters height, that is given to you. CD is the position of the man, CD is 1.6 meters, that is given to you. B is the position of the lamp. Now, I assume AC to be x meters and CE, the shadow of the man, y meter. These are in terms of t which is given in terms of seconds. Triangle AB is similar to triangle CDE. BD are corresponding angles. AC, they are each is equal to 90 degrees. E is the common angle. I am not going to use the hypotenuses anyway. I am going to use the other sides anyway. AB by CD will be equal to AE by CE. In similar triangles, corresponding sides are proportional, you know very well. For 20 upon 1.6 equal to AE is nothing but x plus y by y. 20y is equal to 1.6x plus 1.6y, cross multiply 1.6. 20 minus 1.6 times y is equal to 1.6x, supposed to be 18.4. Y is multiply 10 throughout, 16 by 184. Division by 4 gives you 4 4s are 16, 46 4s are 184. 4 4s are 16, 6 4s are 24. It's correct. Therefore, 2 2s are 4, 23 2s are 46. Anyway, now dy by dt is nothing but 2 by 23 dx by dt. But dx by dt is already given to be 0.02 meter per second. If you want, you can write dx by dt is equal to 2 centimeter per second is equal to 0.02 meter per second. This is given. You can very well write the bracket somewhere else. Therefore, give the conclusion in wordings. Therefore, his shadow of the man is increasing at the rate of 0.04 by 23 meter per second or 2 by 23 centimeter per second. Either way you can write. Either way you can write. Both are correct. Both are anyway correct. Okay, I think it's clear. You need to draw the diagram. You should be able to explain the similarity part, which is very well needed in the answer. Everything is needed. If you are able to explain everything clearly, the answer will be meaningful for you in your board examination also. Now, next sum goes like this. Find the equation of the straight line passing through 1, 7, minus 3 and is perpendicular to x minus 1 by 1 is equal to 1 minus y by minus 2 is equal to z minus 1 by 1 and x plus 1 by minus 1 is equal to y plus 2 by 3 is equal to z minus 1 by 5. I'll just show you the question. Just read the question. Now, actually, you just see here, given lines are, let me write the given lines. Given lines are, I mean to say, x minus 1 by 1 is equal to 1 minus y by minus 2 is equal to z minus 1 by 1. That is, x minus 1 by 1 is equal to y minus 1 by 2 is equal to z minus 1 by 1. And, of course, second line, x plus 1 by 1, minus 1 is equal to y plus 2 by 3 is equal to z minus 1 by 5. You just name them as 1 and 2. Okay, 1 is parallel to, you call it as, let us say C vector, I plus 2j plus k. Now 2 is parallel to d vector is equal to minus I plus 3j plus 5k. Now required line is perpendicular to 1 and 2. Perpendicular to 1 and 2 implies it is parallel to C cross D. The vector which is perpendicular to C vector and D vector will be along C cross D because of the definition of cross product. Therefore, let me just find out C cross D, which is determinant ijk, first row ijk, second row components of C 1 2 1. Here it is minus 1 3 5. Let me try to simplify this. I cap into 10 minus 3 minus j cap into 5 plus 3 plus k cap into 3 plus 2, which is equal to 7i minus 8j plus 5k. Therefore, required equation is it passes through 1, 7, minus 3 given. Therefore, x minus 1 by 7 is equal to y minus 7 by minus 8 is equal to z plus 3 divided by 5. Vector equation is R vector is equal to I plus 7j minus 3k plus lambda times 7i minus 8j plus 5k. This is what I am supposed to write down, where 5 plus 1 here. There is a change here. Sorry, there is an error. 5 plus 6j. I'll make the correction. Sorry, there is a small correction. 5 plus 1. This is 6. This is again 6. This is again 6 here. This will be 7i minus 6j plus 5k. This is anyway minus 6. This is anyway 6. Where R vector is equal to xi plus yj plus zk is the position vector of a general point p x y z in the line. I just repeat once again. I have to write the lines x minus 1 by 1 equal to y minus 2 is equal to y minus 1 by 1. Always bring it to the format x minus x1 by l equal to y minus y by m equal to z minus z1 by n. Only after bringing it to that format, element will be the drs of the line, or the line is parallel to li cap plus nj cap plus nk cap. I should remember x1, y1, z1 will be the point through which it passes. Here it passes through 1, 1, 1. Here it passes through minus 1, minus 2, 1. I am not going to use it, therefore I didn't write that anyway. Okay. Now second line also I am writing x plus 1 by minus 1 equal to y plus 2 by 3 is equal to z minus 1 by 5. Now line 1 is parallel to c vector equal to, using the denominator I will write I plus 2j plus k. Line 2 is parallel to d vector equal to minus I plus 3j plus 5k is as equal as drs of the lines. Either way you can write. Any line which is perpendicular to these two will be parallel to c cross d. That you should remember anyway. Therefore, required line is perpendicular to 1 and 2 implies it is parallel to c cross d. So, c cross d will be determinant. First row ijk, second row components of c 1, 2, 1. Third row components of d minus 1, 3, 5. I cap into 10 minus 3 minus j cap into 5 plus 1. There was an error initially. I corrected anyway. K cap into 3 plus 2. Therefore, 7i minus 6j plus 5k. Therefore, required equation will be passes through 1, 7 minus 3 given. Therefore, x minus 1 by 7 is equal to y minus 7 by minus 6 is equal to z plus 3 by 5. It is of the form x minus x1 by l equal to y minus y1 by m equal to z minus z1 by l. That's application. It's better to write the vector equation also. Normally, students used to make mistakes by not writing R vector here. Okay, R vector is equal to is a must. R vector equal to I plus 7j minus 3k plus lambda times 7, 8 minus 6j plus 5k, where R vector equal xi plus yj plus zk is the position vector of a general point p x y z in the line. Position vector of general point. If you want, you can erase a also. Position vector of general point p x y z in the line. Anyway, I am trying to minimize every video up to maximum of 15 minutes. I already told you. The rest we'll discuss in the next video. And if there is any error here, I'll just add up at the end. I hope there is no error. I'll just go through, and if there is any error, I'll just pass it on to you in the same video. Thank you, students, for patient watching.